Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform your health with nutrient-rich juices. Juicing is a great way to get more fruits and vegetables into your diet and enjoy their amazing benefits for your body and mind. In this video, I'll share with you some of the healthiest juices you can make at home and explain why they are good for you. These juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that can boost your immunity, digestion, energy, and mood. You don't need any fancy equipment to make these juices, just a blender and a strainer. You can also use a juicer if you have one, but it's not necessary. All you need are some fresh fruits and vegetables and some water. Before proceeding, I request my viewers to kindly subscribe to my channel and make my day. I have a target of 100 subscribers. Also, I want to thank to everyone who already did. Now, let's get started. The first juice I'm going to show you is orange juice. Orange juice is one of the most popular and delicious juices, and for a good reason. It's rich in vitamin C, which is essential for your immune system, skin health, and collagen production. It also contains folate, potassium, and flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. To make orange juice, you'll need about 4-5 oranges depending on their size and juiciness. Peel and chop the oranges and put them in a blender. Add some water and blend until smooth. Then, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth to remove the pulp and seeds. Enjoy your fresh and tangy orange juice. The second juice I'm going to show you is beet juice. Beet juice has a vibrant color and a sweet and earthy taste. It's loaded with nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide helps to relax and widen your blood vessels, improving your blood flow and lowering your blood pressure. It also enhances your exercise performance and endurance. To make beet juice, you'll need about 2-3 medium beets and 1-2 apples. Wash and peel the beets and chop them into small pieces. Wash and core the apples and chop them as well. Put the beets and apples in a blender and add some water. Blend until smooth, and then strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth to remove the pulp and fibers. Enjoy your sweet and nutritious beet juice. The third juice I'm going to show you is tomato juice. Tomato juice is not only a key ingredient in Bloody Marys, but also a healthy and savory drink on its own. It's high in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene protects your cells from oxidative stress and lowers your risk of heart disease and stroke. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, folate, and potassium, which support your vision, immunity, skin, bones, and metabolism. To make tomato juice, you'll need about 4-5 ripe tomatoes and some salt and pepper to taste. You can also add some herbs, such as basil, parsley, or cilantro for extra flavor. Wash and chop the tomatoes and put them in a blender. Add some water and blend until smooth. Then, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth to remove the seeds and skins. Season your juice with salt, pepper, and herbs, and enjoy your refreshing and savory tomato juice. These are just some of the healthiest juices you can make at home and enjoy their amazing benefits for your health. There are many more juices you can try, such as pomegranate juice, apple juice, carrot juice, and more. You can also mix and match different fruits and vegetables and create your own unique combinations. The possibilities are endless. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness videos. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your favorite juices and what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!